Today we're cooking up an absolute classic on the rotisserie, a chicken gyro cooked on the Flaming Coals Parrilla Grill. Gyro is one of my favourite ways to cook for a group of people. What you do is you cook a little bit on the outside and then you shave it off. Then you cook a bit more and shave it off, and you just repeat that process. So it's absolutely perfect for all-day grazing. Now I intentionally choose chicken thigh with no skin, so we don't have to remove the skin. We are going to trim it up to fit our gyro discs. Now the reason why we use gyro discs rather than prongs is it's easier to wedge it all together, and when it comes to carving, it's easier to carve against the flat surface rather than dodging the spike of the prong. So what we're going to do is we're going to trim it up a little bit and cut it into 1 centimetre thick strips. So here we have 5 kilos of chicken thigh, all sliced up, ready to go. We now are going to apply our Flaming Coals Greek gyros rub. Now the Flaming Coals Greek gyros seasoning that we're using today is very fine, and that's by design. So then that way it will fully penetrate into the meat and add that extra flavour. While we wait for our fire to get up to temperature, we're going to put our chicken thigh onto our rotisserie skewer. Now it is easier if you have 2 people, just to stop the skewer from wobbling. Simply attach your gyro disc onto the skewer quite tightly, flip it up, and then thread your chicken on. The rotisserie we're cooking on today is at a fixed height. So the way that we can adjust the temperature is by using a long-handled rake and simply moving the coals around on the base. Our gyro's been cooking for about 45 minutes and it's getting some really great colour. So what we're going to do is we're going to baste it to keep it nice and moist, and here I'm using a mixture of about 50% lemon juice and 50% olive oil. Now because we are basting with an oil-based mixture, just be mindful of flare-ups and have a long-handled rake ready to disperse the coals if needed. Our chicken gyro has been cooking for about an hour and a half. It's got some amazing colour, so we're going to carve it up. I like to use an electric carving knife. I find it a lot easier. And to catch the meat when it falls, I use a stainless steel carving shovel. So this is perfect for gyro because what you do is you pop it under the gyro and it just falls directly into this really large carving shovel. Now, if you do carve a little bit too deep or the chicken isn't quite ready, you can use the surface of the carving shovel as a fry pan and just finish it off in the pan. Now that we've done our first carve, I like to re-baste and then reapply the seasoning. So there you have it. That's how super simple it is to cook a classic chicken gyro on the rotisserie. Either plate it up with some salad or some other side dishes, or pop it in a wrap and make yourself a souvlaki. Really good. Thank you so much for watching. For the full recipe and step-by-step instructions, click on the link below. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, leave us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see more great videos just like this one.